want honesty, be honest. If you want respect, then give respect. What you give out will return to you. With this beautiful quote, I, Vedant Bhange of class 5th, with my classmates, wish you all a cheerful morning. I am going to introduce today's morning assembly with the model theme, and the theme is respect. Our admiring behavior towards someone is called respect. It is one of the steps towards success. It is a great manner which determines our nature and behavior. Now, let's start our morning assembly.
Prayer has a power to create a pious atmosphere. It also helps us to attain the significance and the ethical values. Now, let's talk to the Almighty and the Creator of the universe. Join your hands and close your eyes and repeat the prayer after me. And lighten the minds, O Lord, and help us to understand what we study today. From the darkness, lead me to light. Amen. Open your eyes and put down your hands. Thank you.
आशीष तुझसे चाहते हैं, हे स्वर्ग पिता हम आते हैं। आशीष तुझसे चाहते हैं, हे स्वर्ग पिता हम आते हैं। ना कोई खूबी है दुनियाकर, बख्शो हमको अपनी ताकत। ना कोई खूबी है दुनियाकर, बख्शो हमको अपनी ताकत। कान दिलों को लाते हैं, हे स्वर्ग पिता हम आते हैं। आशीष तुझसे चाहते हैं, हे स्वर्ग पिता हम आते हैं। आशीष तुझसे चाहते हैं, हे स्वर्ग पिता हम आते हैं। Imports the feeling of nationalism among us. Let's take the oath. Raise your right hand for the pledge.
India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always be strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Put your hands down.
Right hand on your chest for preamble.
Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economics and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unit and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Hands down.
Thoughts gives us a positive opinion to start our day with incitement and inspiration. Let's change our thought together, because if we change our thought, we can change the world. For today's thought, I would call my classmate Astha.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Astha. Today's thought is never hate your haters but respect them, because they are the one who think that you are better than them. So I just want to say that if somebody hates you, do not give hatred in return. Respect each and everyone either they are your loved ones or haters. I repeat it again. Never hate your haters but respect them, because they are the one who think that you are better than them. So I just want to say that if somebody hates you, do not give hatred in return. Respect each and everyone either they are your loved ones or haters. Thank you and have a nice day from Astha.
Respect holds our relationship together. It builds the feeling of trust, safety, and well being. As today's morning assembly theme is respect, I would like to call Akib to share his views on the topic respect.
Morning to all of you. I am going to express my view on the topic respect. Respect is a value for a person or a valuing someone. It is an honor which we show for other person. It is the precious thing which we earn at home, school, neighbor through our noble deeds. Remember, we should treat people the way we want to be treated. We should talk the people the way we want to be talked. And this is true that respect is earned, not given. Thank you.
I would like to call my classmate Tanish.
Now, the question before us is, how should we learn to give respect the people around us? We learn to give respect through our parents, grandparents, friends, teachers. Whatever we see, we try to copy that, either it is wrong or right, which is not good. We should adopt good habits from our elders. Good habits like serving people. Serving people show that we care the person, and caring is an important element of showing respect. Next, be kind to the people. Kindness shows respect to the people. Next, be polite. Always treat a person politely. Fourth, be affirm for person. It shows that we have value and importance for that person. Thank you.
My dear friends, respect for people builds the feeling of trust and well being. Give respect and get respect. Thank you all and have a great day.